Hello everyone. Today we are diving into the recent results of Lotus Chocolate Limited. LCL Lotus Chocolate Limited is in the business of sourcing and processing cocoa beans to manufacture chocolate, cocoa products and cocoa derivative. Basically ये chocolate और chocolate related products बनाते हैं and their products are supplied to chocolate makers and chocolate users simultaneously. अब अपन इनके प्रोडक्ट प्रोफाइल के बारे में समझ सकते हैं क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट ये बनाते हैं. दे मेकर चक्कल्स, सुपर कार, चोको ड्रॉप्स, चोको बार्स, चोको पाउडर, चोको स्लैब, चोको बटर एंड हैंडफिल्ड चॉकलेट्स. इनके क्लाइंटल्स को भी अपन समझते हैं. देयर क्लाइंटल आर बिग नेम लाइक अमूल, मदर डेयरी एंड पार्ले प्रोडक्ट्स. जनरली टिल FY24 तक दिस कंपनी वॉज वेरी वोलेटाइल कंपनी. किसी क्वार्टर में इनका थोड़ा बहुत प्रॉफिट होता था, किसी क्वार्टर में थोड़ा बहुत लॉस होता था. सो वाई वी आर ट्रैकिंग दिस कंपनी? अराउंड 15th month ago this company was brought by Reliance Consumer Product Limited. They bought around 51% stake in this company. After buying the stake, Reliance changed management and employee. जनरली वो वॉलेंटरी रिटायरमेंट होता है, उन्होंने पुराने मैनेजमेंट और एम्प्लॉयज़ को दे दिया. एंड फ्रॉम देयर द कंपनी इज़ अ टर्न अराउंड स्टोरी विच वी कैन ऑब्जर्व ऑल्सो इन लास्ट क्वार्टर. सो एज पर मैनेजमेंट द कंपनी डू नॉट नीड any more capex plan because they already have a lot of unutilized ability. Now let's look at the recent results of Lotus Chocolate Limited. In Q2, the sales grew by 161.7% to 128 crore, while their profit after tax grew 57 times to 5.24 crore. In last quarter Q1, the sales was around 141 crore, while profit was around 6.86 crore. So in comparison to Q1, the sales has fallen a bit, but Q2 is generally as a lean quarter. For FMCG, the best quarter is Q3, where festivity and gifting comes into play. So the company has given a tremendous result. The growth has grown at a very high pace, while the PAT jumped by around 57x. Along with that, the company also delivered to Reliance in-house all the factories and industries. So in Reliance में अगर खुद का कोई इवेंट्स होता है तो वहाँ पे भी गिफ्ट में इनकी चॉकलेट्स जाती हैं. So all in all, it's a good sets of number, but the company share prices have risen a lot. It was somewhere around 700 crore once upon a time, 700 rupees. Now it's somewhere around 1900. The market cap has also jumped from 700 crore to something between 2500 crores. So the company does not do any con call till now. We just need to follow their quarterly result. So is there any risk factor in this company? The only one which I can detect or can say is that their operating cash flow is negative at minus 41 crore. This can maybe because they have a lot of B2B sales, so there may be some delays in the payments. Thank you friends, and follow, like and subscribe for more insights.